everybody? What's up, what's up, what's up? It's me, PD Trace, man. Anyways, I just wanted to wish you all a beautiful week. I hope everyone had an amazing week, though. I think I had an amazing week. Can't wait to fight the week ahead, man. I've just finished trading the London session. The London macro. I just finished trading the London macro. I also put in some analysis because I couldn't really make a long analysis because I'm really busy, so it's really hard for me to make analysis. But this week I'll be posting twice a day, which is pre-market and post-market. And yeah, man, thank you for the subscribers as well. 60 subscribers. We're getting there, right? We're getting there. Thank you for everyone who subscribed and who's watching my videos, man. That's a huge inspiration for me and motivation for me to continue doing this because I really love trading, and I just hope that with the videos that I make, it shows that it's someone that it's possible to make it. With dedication, you can make it. You can make it. So, anyways, I just finished it, man. It was a bit long, but it was a clean one. It was beautiful. So I'll see you again during the AM session. Yeah, man. Thank you for subscribing. Just wanted to let you know that I appreciate each and everyone who subscribed. And yeah, man. Let's have fun. So yeah, cheers. Alrighty then, let's begin. Anyway, this is the weekly time frame. This is US 100. No, this is Nasdaq, right? I think for me right now, I would like to see a pullback. So it's possible that we might see large expansion days, and I'm only focusing on this weekly fair value gap high, right? Because remember, we had a high being patched, right? And we have a high, low, higher high, then a large expansion low, making a lower low. So this could be a change in market structure as well, right? So that means I would like to see this, right, in the long run act as a breakaway gap if we are really bearish and expecting to seek out this relative equal lows, right? Especially sell side here, right? Then I would like to see this imbalance, this inefficiency being treated as a breakaway gap. So that means I want to see price leaving the upper half open and only working on the lower half, right, of the inefficiency. And I'm targeting this previous week's high, which is my buy side liquidity. But I can only be sure that we are seeking this inefficiency after we trade above the new week opening gap. Let's go to the daily time frame. So my high time bias, right, is bearish, right? So meaning this is just the pullback, right? Because we still have the short-term low, right? Because we didn't actually sweep that, and we actually didn't trade inside of that weekly inefficiency, that fair value gap. So that means this is my draw, but I would like to see at least the pullback taking place, right? Trading inside that weekly inefficiency. But overall, I'm targeting this low and this discount daily inefficiency, this one. The 4-hour time frame. Now if you pay attention, right, we had a strong rejection, a very strong one, right? If we do close above the new week opening gap, my short-term draws on liquidity at the short-term highs, this one and the previous week's high, lastly this relative equal highs. I think if we expand higher, this will be like the premium of this range as well. So this is like my initial draw on liquidity on that drawdown, right? So two things could happen. We might see a sweep. We have this inversion fair value, use it as support, seek out the new week, the previous week's high, and probably just to wick on the lower half of that weekly CV, right? Because we also have this relative equal highs here resting there, so that's like nice liquidity. Then we could see that expansion low. It's possible. I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but it's a probability that it could happen, right? But that can only be confirmed if we close above the new week opening gap, and not alone the new week opening gap, but this short-term high here, because this is our potential what breaker, because we have a low, a high, a lower low. So if we close above the high of this candle, right, this will be my potential bullish order block and my potential inversion fair value gap. However, though, if we continue lower, then I'm targeting if we close below the new week opening gap. I mean, no, the weekly fair value gaps discount, the discount new weekly fair value gap, right? If we trade below the new week opening gap, then I'm expecting to see it being treated as resistant to seek out those this low, right? And possibly even go even lower and seek out this relative equal lows, right? That's a probability. So two things must happen for me. If I'm targeting this short-term highs, right, as my drawn liquidity, I want to see us closing above this new week opening gap. Not only the new week opening gap, but also this short-term high, right? And a possible change in market structure only just to seek out those relative equal highs. It's possible. So I'm just gonna I'll be tape reading today, the Monday, the AM session today, just to see how we trade around Monday, because for me to actually start trading on Tuesday, I want to see how Monday was painted, how it worked its way around certain inefficiencies, key zones, key areas. So that's it for me. This is the 1 minute time frame. I mean, this is the 1 hour time frame. And clearly, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we have a small bullish breaker, right? We have a low, a high, which is this relative equal highs, lower low. Then we had a higher high, where we saw this body closing above the bodies of these candles here. So that means if I really close above, if price closes above the new week opening gap, I'm expecting it to be treated as support to seek out this short-term highs, this relative equal highs. And if we break through them with speed and volatility, then I'm targeting those relative equal highs, right? It's possible, it could take place. However, I'm just waiting to see how we play Monday. So I'll be live during the AM session just to see our way around it, and just to be quick. Just to be quick. Now remember, with this tariffs things taking place, man, with US hitting other countries with tariffs, it's really gonna impact. It's gonna have a very huge impact on. But if you understand smart money, if you have been with me past months, remember this was my premium inefficiency. If you go back to my videos, right? I think we were around here. I was targeting this relative equal highs and this premium inefficiency. So now it's probability that we are seeking this relative equal lows, more especially this short-term high, right? So for me, the dollar is bearish, right? And Nasdaq is bearish, and because of other things taking place, the fundamental things of the markets, right? How Warren Buffett and other big guys, are pulling out billions, you know. So it's really just giving out signs that we could see a possible market crash, because we're also seeing Trump as well with his terrorist things. So it's crazy, man. Trade wars are not good. Trade wars are not good, especially for the financial markets, because nobody's winning really. Nobody's winning. So we have this discount fair value gap. I think we could see a possible draw to that, because we have a high, low, higher high, lower low. What is that? A change in market structure. So this is my potential breaker. So I'm looking to see the dollar trading up to the breaker, right? Or this bearish order block, but that will be sort of a pullback, and I want to see us trading to this inefficiency. I just wanted to make a quick review, just a quick one. There we go. Ridiculous, right? It's crazy. Look at that. So if we do have a pullback, right, into this inefficiency here, and we do leave this one's open, that's really confirms that we are really in a bearish market, especially on the dollar. So that means be careful buying, because you might be buying a pullback and thinking that, remember, we are not trying to pick the low, right? We're just trading what the algorithm is giving us. We just swept the short-term sell side liquidity right here. We just swept sell side. That could lead to a potential pullback. Then we can continue low, right? It's possible. So I'll be live again. I just wanted to make a quick review. Show you the 15 minutes time frame. So we're currently trading inside the new week opening gap, and on the upper half, on the lower half of the new week opening gap, and it seems like we have like a very slow London session, so that means we could possibly see a volatile New York session. But because it's Monday as well, Mondays usually are not that active, and I don't usually like trading Mondays, so I'll just be tape reading. So join me as I'll be tape reading. Anyways, guys, I think that's it for me for now. I'll be back during the AM session, then we can start our ting ting, man. Bless you.